Gent as usual, commencing left foot, lady right foot. Moving down the line of dance. Side, close, side, stab, stab. And that's the first 4 bars. Now to add the next 4 bars, gentleman commences right, lady left, moving against the line, side, and we close without weight. Going back to the centre, gent left, lady forward right, 2 walks, slow and slow. Now that's half of the dance, so we can show it to you there. Commencing, let's say, in our ballroom hold, and side, close, side, stab, stab. Side, close, side, back to the centre, slow and slow. Bars 9 to 12. Gentleman walking forward 2 on the left, lady back on the right. 1, 2. Gentleman now will raise his left arm to enable the lady to spin underneath, and will chassis side close. The lady commencing right foot will spin for those 2 bars. And side close, and finishing ballroom hold facing the wall. And that completes 3/4 of the dance. The dance, now, from the very beginning to there, ready, and side, close, side, stab, stab. Side, close, side, back 1, forward the 2, for chassis closing on the arm, finish in ballroom hold. The dance is completed with 4 bars waltzing. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, finishing with feet together, facing wall